Hello. Okay, this is a quick video to show you how to move your shop into the unlinked pages and basically make it disappear from your template in a Squarespace template, and how to put it back in again. So you might have chosen a template with a shop inside because in the future you know you want a shop, but you're not quite ready there and you don't want to pay for the shop just yet. So this is how you do it. So you'll be on your homepage and you'll see that there's a cart there. So that means that the shop is active. So there's the main navigation, which is seen, and that's the main navigation. It could be on your left, it could be on the right, depends how you've designed it. And then you've got a not linked section. So these are still live pages, but the ones that you put in here don't show up on your website really, unless you put a word somewhere like FAQs in the footer, or maybe you put something here and that you want to unlink it, like for instance the home page. I don't have home here, but most people know the logo is the home. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unlink the shop page, which in this case is called Arts and Objects. And so that's in the unlinked page now. So it's still live, but no one could find it because it's nowhere to be seen. Now I need to take out this cart. So what I do is I press edit, so I get onto this page, and then I go up to the header. So I just, okay, so then you hover over the top and edit site header. You go to elements, where you will see a cart icon, and the toggle is on because it's green. So you just turn it off. So you press it and it goes to grey, and then that cart has disappeared. So once you're ready to put your shop back on, you just press that toggle back on again and put the shop back into the linked section. And then you are done, and then you just have to design the shop and put in all your bits and bobs. So I hope this has been helpful. Please like and subscribe any of my videos. It goes a long way for me. Thank you for watching.